If you're experiencing FPS drops while playing AFC 25, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance. Step 1. Lower graphics settings. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to lower levels. This includes reducing the resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. Low settings can significantly improve FPS. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can optimize performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize game mode. If you are using Windows 10 or 11, enable game mode in the settings. This feature prioritizes gaming resources and can help reduce lag and improve FPS. Step 5. Check system requirements. Make sure your system meets or exceeds the recommended specifications for AFC 25. If your hardware is below the requirements, consider upgrading components like RAM or the graphics card. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing AFC 25. Enjoy your game.